Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in billet silver. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, granite crystal exterior accents, black lens tail lamps, dual dark chrome exhaust tip, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, active noise control system, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5441.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.